Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming Mac OS is current and you have the live file or app ready. This avoids compatibility issues. Open System Settings immediately because you will toggle permissions next. If you downloaded an app, install it and watch for permission prompts. Grant screen recording or accessibility so it can control wallpaper. Once done, place your MOV or MP4 in an easy folder like Movies or Desktop. Make sure file names have no special characters to prevent import errors. Open the Live Wallpaper app and use Add or Import to bring in your MOV or MP4 file. That step registers it with the app and Mac OS. Once imported, configure loop behavior and mute audio if needed, then choose performance or battery saving mode so the animation won't drain resources. Next, assign the wallpaper to a specific desktop or all spaces. This ensures it appears where you want. Finally, preview it to confirm smooth playback and adjust quality settings for balance between visuals. To finalize, lock the app settings and test across your desktops. Sometimes a quick restart of the dock or logging out and back enforces Mac OS to apply the new wallpaper. If playback is choppy, open Activity Monitor to inspect CPU use and switch the app to battery saving or lower resolution. This preserves performance. If the wallpaper fails to appear, reopen System Settings to re-grant permissions, then re-import the file. This single troubleshooting step fixes most permission-related issues.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.